Hello again. In this video, I'm going to go over section R4, Objective 2, which is about adding and subtracting polynomials. And so I'm just going to look at these two examples to illustrate this idea of adding and subtracting polynomials. So notice in part A, we have two polynomials here. This is a third degree polynomial, and we're adding it to a second degree polynomial, and it's written in the variable w. Now, the way we're going to add these polynomials together is we're going to add like terms. So notice that this is the only w cubed term, but the w squared term, we have another w squared term over here, so there's two of those, and so we can combine these together by adding their coefficients. Okay, so -5 plus 8 is 3, so you really have 3w squared. And of course this one, there's nothing to add to it because it's the only w cubed term. But you can add the w squared terms together by adding their coefficients because they're like terms. Okay, w, 6w, this term you can add with this term. Those are like terms. So 6 plus a minus 4 would be 2. So that would give you 2w. And then the constant term, you have the 3 plus 2, which is 5. Okay, so that's how you would add these two polynomials together. You just add up like terms. Now in part B, we're subtracting two polynomials. Now notice this first polynomial is written in terms of two variables a and b, as well as the second polynomial, it's written in terms of a and b as well. And we're subtracting. So the first thing you really need to take care of is this minus sign needs to be distributed to each term in this polynomial. So let's take care of that first. Okay, so when you distribute the minus sign to here, you get minus 2.6. So that a squared times b, and then the minus sign times the minus sign here gives you a plus sign. And then this will become a minus sign. So basically everything changes sign in here. So this becomes a minus, a plus, and a minus. Okay, and then we're going to group like terms together. So you can see that a squared b and this a squared b, we can group those together. And then we have an ab term. So this term can be grouped with this term. And then the b squared term can be written next to this b squared term. Okay, so we're kind of grouping the like terms next to each other, and then we can just add their coefficients together if they're like terms. So this is really 6.1 minus 2.6, which is 3.5. A squared b. Okay, and then the AB terms, you have 2.9 plus 4.1, which adds up to 7. So you have 7 AB term. And then minus 4.5 minus 2.1 is minus 6.6, and that's your b squared coefficient. Okay? And so basically adding or subtracting polynomials really consists of combining like terms. That's how you add and subtract polynomials. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.